Hello, and welcome to Supreme Online Marketer. I'm Cristina. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download a video clip from Facebook. But before I begin, if this is your first time here on the channel, I would like to invite you to click on the big red button below and subscribe. And be sure to leave a comment saying, "I've subscribed." Oh, and don't forget to click on the bell icon too, so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So with those things out of the way, let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to log into your Facebook account and locate that video clip you're going to be downloading. I've done so here, and what we're going to do is once you've accessed that video clip, you want to right-click on it and select Show Video URL. Once you click on that, a window is going to come up and you want to copy this URL. Let's go ahead and copy it and open up a new browser tab and paste it in here. And once you've pasted it in here, you want to replace the www with mbasic. M-B-A-S-I-C. Go ahead and enter. And at this point, the video is going to come up again. You're going to click on it. And what you want to do is just pause the video for a moment, and you want to be able to download it from here, okay? So you can either right-click and select Save Video As, or you can click on these three little dots on the right-hand side and click on the download button right there. So that's how you download a video clip from Facebook. Now, if you're still not clear on how to do so, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. And if you want to learn how to download an image, click on the link below in the description box. And that pretty much sums it up. Listen, I really hope this helped you understand how to download a video clip from Facebook. Now, if you really enjoyed this video today, if you got some value from it, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and let me know what you thought in the comments below. And like I mentioned before, if this is your first time here on the channel, I would like to invite you to click on that big red button below and subscribe. And be sure to leave a comment saying I've subscribed. And don't forget to click on the bell icon too, so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Because I'm always coming up with new content and you don't want to miss it, right? I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Take care. I'll see you soon.